Red Cross volunteers from Middle Tennessee will head to the Gulf Coast to help communities dealing with Ida. Nikel is here in studio to explain that mission.
Hey, Neil, good morning. Yeah, that mission began with helping those communities to prepare for the impacts of the storm. That's meant sending thousands of items to help get the shelters up and running. We're talking things like meals, cots, blankets, and pillows. People will need these items before and after the hurricane hits. There are more than 600 Red Cross volunteers ready to hit the ground running once all the bad weather has passed by. And officials say they'll be on the ground for as long as their help is needed.
Well, we already have some shelters open, so they're going to continue the sheltering operations. Our damage assessment teams will go out and look at the damage and see where the damage is. Our elected official liaisons will call the elected officials to find out what's going on in their individual counties or individual parishes and cities. And from that damage assessment, we'll continue to make our plans of how to serve those in need.
So a lot of coordination going on here between the different agencies. Sullivan says their response would have been bigger, but a lot of their Red Cross volunteers are here in Middle Tennessee helping with recovery from the flooding that happened in Waverly. Neil.